In a quiet town, nestled between the ocean and the hills, there existed a community renowned for its comprehensive approach towards prenatal health. Sarah, a midwife with decades of experience, dedicated her life to educating expectant mothers about the importance of nutrition and prenatal care, two pillars she believed essential for a healthy pregnancy. One day, Sarah organized a workshop at the local community center titled Nurturing the Next Generation. She began by explaining the significance of balanced nutrition during pregnancy. It's not just about eating more, she emphasized. It's about eating right. She presented the essential nutrients that should form the core of a pregnant woman's diet, stressing on folic acid, calcium, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Sarah invited one of her recent clients, Emily, who is now a mother of a healthy baby boy, to share her personal journey. Emily had been overwhelmed when she first discovered she was pregnant. "I didn't know where to start," Emily recalled, "but Sarah guided me through it all." She explained how she adjusted her diet to include more leafy greens, whole grains, and lean proteins. "I even learned to love spinach smoothies," Emily chuckled, eliciting laughter from the audience. Moving on from nutrition, Sarah spoke about the importance of prenatal checkups. Regular visits to your healthcare provider can catch potential issues early, she advised. Blood tests, ultrasounds, and monitoring fetal development are crucial to ensure both mother and baby are thriving. She provided checklists for the audience, items such as ensuring proper hydration, the benefits of prenatal vitamins, and the role of exercise in improving circulation and stress reduction. "Staying active is as important for your mind as it is for your body," she added, urging a safe exercise regimen approved by a healthcare provider. The session concluded with a Q&A where attendees asked about managing morning sickness, dealing with cravings, and strategies for gestational diabetes. Sarah and Emily, together, provided insights and solutions based on both medical knowledge and practical experience. As the workshop ended, Sarah felt a renewed sense of purpose. She watched as the women left with more clarity and confidence, equipped not only with information but the assurance that nurturing their own health was the first step in nurturing their children. The community, under Sarah's guidance, continued to nurture a culture where prenatal care was not just practiced, but celebrated.